fishing bits and bobs down there, flying and that. What I'm looking at, a shotgun or two. So let's go around there and see if we can hit some clay pigeons. I was pretty good first time round, so we'll see if I'm any good this time, yeah? Off this weekend?
3 days non-stop.
Oh mate, you'll be ready.
Yeah. In front of it. Bang.
In front of it.
Okay. Right.
Let's see how rubbish I am at.
So I know now I'm filming, don't miss any.
Towards your knuckle. Move your whole head towards your knuckle. You hit it.
I hit it, yeah?
Okay, because you were in front of it.
Know what I mean? Are you doing 2 on each one, am I then?
Well, I can. In. Good. Wait. Okay. Well, you hit the second one.
The second one's massive.
Nothing's easy in this game.
Nothing's easy.
Safety further above.
Yeah. That 10 ain't bad, considering that's the second. Richard was great. We got 6 out of 10. Anybody coming through?